สวัสดีครับผมนายอิลฟานลาเตะรุ่น 19 สอบอัลฟาเบตหลักสูตร Maritime English ม.เกษตรศรีราชา Quebec Territory Uniform Unawan Oblique India Next word India Nada 0 Unawan Foxtrot Octo 8 Next word Tango Octo 8 Yankee Echo India Uniform Next word Territory Charlie Octo 8 Yankee Zulu Octo 8 Next word Lima Penta 5 Colon Alpha hyphen Zulu Next word Octo 8 Stop Octo 8 Sierra 77 66 Next word Oscar Nada 0 India Nada 0 Charlie Next word Oscar Nada 0 November Beso 2 Bravo Life and Dragon Next word Apostrophe Foxtrot India Unawan Penta 5 Quebec Octo 8 Next word Territory Echo Carter 4 77 Quebec Romeo Next word Oblique Yankee Question mark Delta Victor Quebec Next word Zulu Penta 5 Foxtrot Oblique Yanko Echo Next word Unawan India Victor Kilo Live in Dragon Bravo Next word Victor November Oblique Kilo Whiskey comma Next word Nada 0 66 X-ray question mark Echo Juliet Next word Live in Bracken Bravo Mike Delta Life and Bracken Alpha Next word 66 Oscar 77 Lima November Golf Next word 77 Stop Penta 5 Yankee X-ray Stop Next word Biso 2 Stop Penta 5 Zulu Carter 4 November Next word Lima question mark Victor November Uniform Next word Colon Uniform November Mike plus Next word Papa comma X-ray Unawan Stop Novenai Next word Penta 5 Oscar India Unawan Stop Unawan Penta 5 Next word Novenai Carter 4 Unawan Stop Carter 4 Next word Delta comma Sierra question mark 77 Zulu Next word Lima November Tango Territory Mike apostrophe Next word Papa 77 Sierra hyphen India Unawan Next word Foxtrot 66 Tango Victor Unawan Nanda 0 Next word Carter 4 Territory Live in Bracken Nanda 0 Next word 66 77 Oblique question mark Next word 66 Stop 77 Romeo Nada 0 Colon Next word Oblique hyphen Hotel double hyphen Romeo hyphen Next word Echo Unawan Victor Foxtrot Golf double hyphen Next word Hotel 66 Foxtrot Unawan Echo Carter 4 Next word Life and Bracken India Live in Bracken question mark comma Next word Cathay 4 Foxtrot Soxy 6 Terra 3 Biso 2 Yankee Next word Foxtrot Soxy 6 Tango Victor Uda 1 Nada 0